are, crossing the railway bridge. There's the River Dee. Michaela is ahead. So a bit overcast, not too chilly, nice breeze, not too hot. So yeah, so we're going the riverway first, and then we'll come back to the Blacon on the old railway. Hello. Finally doing some work on the old shot and steel place, is it? I think it is anyway. Bring you back later. Say hello to the camera.
Hello.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Well, it's hard work on this bike. I'm used to an electric.
Michaela's gone way ahead while I changed the battery in the GoPro. So get a bit of speed in. Wow. No, you go around the corner, don't you? A bit more. See the cormorants down there? The black ones.
I liked it when that welcome one was on. Where were they when they saw those lovely birds?
I don't know.
What are they called, cormorants?
Cormorants.
Do you think now Liam and Millie have won that £50,000?
Oh, did they win, did they?
Yeah.
They do.
A bit of summer on the boat.
On the canal in Chester. Onto a bit of a cobbly bit, if I remember rightly. So here we are on the old Blacon Railway, heading our way back now to Queen's Ferry. Connah Quay, yeah, same area. So yeah, so a bit of a nice steady plod. Just coming into Blacon, into the old railway station that used to be here. That's where it would have been, the old railway station. Just coming into the bridge now across the A55. Only real hill on this full course. There's a little one just going up to the bridge for the railway. You hear that traffic noise? Here it is, 55 to England, 55 into Wales. So here we are, coming to the finish, back to the car park, and of course Michaela has to get in front, even though she's been behind most of the way, you know, competitive to the end. Just to lose weight, just to get through these. So here we are, back at the car park. We'll see you later. Have a nice day.